Good morning, children. How are you? I hope all are safe at home. Okay, in the previous class, what we are discussing? Comparing 5-digit numbers. How we comparing? Less than, greater than, and equal symbol. Then, what we are discussing? Arranging numbers. How we arrange numbers? Descending order and ascending order. What do you mean by ascending order? The numbers arranged smaller to bigger. That is ascending order. What do you mean by descending order? The numbers arranging bigger to smaller. Then also we are discussing predecessor and successor. What do you mean by predecessor? Before, pre-number, before the number. So how we get the predecessor? We are subtracting 1 from the given number. Then next we are discussing successor. How we get successor? Or what do you mean by successor? Successor is after the number. How we get? We are adding 1 to the given number. We get successor. Today we are discussing new topic. Here we are using numbers for comparing and arranging numbers. How we get the numbers? How we form a number? Using digits we are forming a number. Today we will discuss how to form a number. Okay, forming numbers. Today we are discussing forming numbers. Okay, forming numbers. Forming numbers using 5-digit numbers. But now we are discussing first 3-digit numbers. How we form a number using 3-digit numbers. I wrote here some numbers. 7, 1, 3. 7, 1, 3. 3 digits are there. So, how we form a 3-digit number using these digits? Not repeating the digits. We'll check it. Okay. Are you ready? How we check? 713 is one of the number. Here only we are using those digits 7, 1, 3. Okay, another number 731. Here also we are using 731. Any repetition here? No. So next 317. Here also we are using 317. 713. That much numbers only. Okay, then 371. Then 173 and 137. Okay, in these numbers only we are using 713. Okay, 713. Then any repetition here the digits? No. So this like we are forming a numbers, we are saying in that forming numbers. Okay, we want to forming a numbers, 5-digit numbers. But here there is no space for writing all the numbers. So I will use 3-digit number. The same way we are forming 5-digit numbers also. Okay. Anyone had a doubt for forming numbers? Then from this, which is the largest number here? Largest from this numbers, which is largest number here? We know how to compare the numbers. I want to explain more again? No. So, which is the largest number here? First we are checking the highest place number, digit. Here 7, here 3, here 1. 7, 3, 1. 7, 3, 1. Which is large? 7. So, this two. Comparing this two first. The next largest number, 1. Next largest place is 1. Here 1, here 3. Which is larger? 1 or 3? 3 is the larger. So, this is the largest number here. Largest number is 731. 731. Then smallest number, how we check? The highest place values, smallest digits. Here 7, 7, 3, 3, 1, 1. 7, 3, 1. Which is smallest number? 1. So comparing these two. Then these two have same digits. Then check the next place. Here 7, here 3. 7 or 3 is the largest number. Sorry, smallest number 3. So this is the smallest number. Smallest number is 137. Any relation between these two numbers, smallest and largest number? We are using 713. How you get the largest number here? We are arranging the digits in descending order for finding largest number. For finding largest number, we are arranging the numbers or digits in the descending order. First largest number, the next large, then small. 731. Okay, how you get the smallest number? We are arranging the digits in ascending order. We are arranging the digits in the ascending order. Got it? So how we get the largest number and smallest number? Using the digits, we are arranging the numbers or digits in ascending order. We will get the smallest number, and we will arrange the digits in the descending order. We will get the largest number. Got it? Then we will check the 5-digit numbers. Are you ready? Okay. Three, 7, 5, 0, 2. Here we are comparing 5-digit numbers. So I wrote here 5 digits. 3, 7, 5, 0, 2. Then are you ready to form a largest and smallest number using these digits? Not repeating. Largest 5-digit numbers. Largest 5-digit number. Largest 5-digit number. How you get? Are you remember? Largest 5-digit number. How we arrange the numbers, descending or ascending? Largest number, we are using the descending order. First bigger digit, then next bigger, then like we are arranged. Okay. From this digits, which is the largest digits, 3, 7, 5, 0, 2. Largest number? 7. So 7 is first we are writing. Okay. Then next 3, 5, 0, 2. Which is larger? 5. So next is 5. Next 3, 0, 2. 3. The next 0, 2. Which is larger? 2. Then 0. Okay. Largest 5-digit number is 75,320. What is that? 75,320. Okay. Then smallest 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit number. How we write? Using ascending order. Smallest digit is writing first. Smallest is here 0. Next 2, then 3, then 5, 7. But here asking the smallest 5-digit number. This is smallest 5-digit number? No. 0 is invalid. Left side 0 means it's not using, only 2,356. Sorry, 57 we are reading. 2,357. Okay, so this is not a 5-digit number. So we are arranging this 2 in interchanging the places. Okay, what we get? 20,357. In any cases, 0, including 0 in the as a digit, we are interchanging the last 2 places. Okay, then you will get smallest 5-digit number. Now you understand? Are you ready to do another problem? Okay. Nine, 5, 3, 2, 1. Okay, these are the digits. 9, 5, 3, 2, 1. Are you ready to form a smallest and largest 5-digit number using these digits? Ready? Okay, start. Okay, finish. Can I say the answer? Okay, largest 5-digit number. How you get the largest 5-digit number? Largest digits is here 9. So 9 is first in the 10,000 place. The next 5 in 1,000 place. Then 3, 2, 1. What is this number? 95,321. Okay. What is the largest 5-digit number using 95321? Is 95,321. Okay. All are get this answer? Then, what is the smallest 5-digit number using 95321? What is that? Smallest digit is 1, then 2, then 3, then 5, then 9. What is this number? 12,359. 12,359 is the smallest 5-digit numbers. Okay. Now you understand how to form a numbers, largest and smallest number. Anyone have doubt for forming numbers? So in this chapter, block 2, comparing 5-digit numbers, we are discussing first how to compare the numbers. What are the symbols we are using? Less than, greater than and equal. Then arranging the numbers. How many orders? 2 orders. Ascending order, descending order. Then how to find the predecessor and how to find the successor. Then today we will discuss forming numbers. For getting the digits, how we form the largest and smallest number. How we find the largest number. Largest number how we form? We are arranging the digits in descending order. We will get the largest number using the given digits. Then how we get the smallest number? We are arranging the digits in ascending order. We are arranging the digits in ascending order. We will get the smallest number. Okay. We will do more problems later. Okay, thank you.